Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Samar try showing smoothie shimbu so em batring ya. And de la blueberry che and banana che and de la shoyu yogurt. And de la strawberry che. Strawberry. And the blueberry too, right? Blueberry too. Once you wash the blueberry, you can add onto here. Already, now I'm going to put some yogurt. So yogurt is optional. Yogurt 먹으면 되게 아니 쭈고이나 신부에 좋아. yogurt 대수는 신부에. 나 삼성은 yogurt 누구요? 삼성 쇼 누구네? So now we're gonna close it. This much, not very tight. Okay, hopefully it's done. 다시 중국살에 따고 하시고. 와우, 다다 보실 수 진국하고 심사시. 난디 뼈 밑주신 거 다디. I hope you guys like it. Okay, let me see now. Look, very nice. Yeah, looks very delicious. Alright guys, so this is how I use it. So I hope you like the video. Make sure you like it, share it, subscribe, and leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video.